hospitals. Today we are here into the theatre of Popular Hospital, and from left of me is my wife, medical director cum HOD gynecology department, and next to her is Dr. Madhvi, senior consultant into the department of maternity and gynecology and infertility. On right of me is Dr. Suman Chaurasia. She is our ex-consultant, practicing right now in Mumbai, and she is doing surgery in many of the good hospitals.
Namaskar, myself Dr. Suman Chaurasia, consultant gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon from Mumbai. Today we have come here in Popular Hospital to perform live laparoscopy workshop. Here in today's workshop we have performed many surgeries, all complicated and normal hysterectomies. We have done ovarian cystectomy, endometriotic surgeries. We have done the sacrocolpopexy, sacrohysteropexy. We have done birth repair for the stress urinary incontinence, and we have completed nearly 15 cases in these 2 days. Multiple doctors from the Varanasi from different places came here, and they got opportunity to come and attend the workshop. And multiple patients has get cured by us, and we will thankful to the Popular Hospital. We will thankful to Dr. A.K. Kaushik and HOD department, Dr. Kiran Kaushik, for giving us the opportunity. We hope we will come in the future again and get to do this kind of surgery. Thank you.
And next to her is Dr. Kartika Ravi. She is from Chennai. She is a consultant gynecologist in GEM Hospital and Apollo Hospital.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Kartika. I'm a consultant gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon from Chennai. So I'm a laparoscopic surgeon and hysteroscopic surgeon trained at GEM Hospital for the past 7 years, and also freelancing in multiple hospitals in Chennai. So I'm very, very grateful for Popular Hospital for giving me this opportunity, to Chairman Dr. Kaushik sir and Kiran madam, and also the department, all of them, to come and participate in this workshop. We operated a lot of cases, and we were able to deliver a very good care, and the hospital standard was very, very good, with the special mention to all the OT staff who were very good, and they maintained everything excellently. The instruments were very good, so we were able to do so many surgeries. And again, I would like to thank all the gynec members, the Department of Gynecology, both Dr. Madhavi and Dr. Priyanka, who were a pillar of support for us, and also Urmila ji, for coordinating everything. Thank you.
And what we can do in that session, we'll definitely let the public know, and will like to give this benefit to the Janta of Purvanchal in the cases of gynecology and infertility. So I really thank both of you for making this session excellent and coming to the Popular Hospital. And again, I thank Urmila for coordinating alone for everything, starting from inception to conception to delivery. Everything she has done. So it was a very great moment for us, and I thank Dr. Kiran, the head of department, who is my better wife, better half, and definitely she is the leader for this whole department and procedures and activities. So I expect in future course of action, she will be arranging more and more CMEs and workshops for this department. Thanks. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.